Welcome to another great episode with me, Milo Alexsander, and the amazing Jaafar Almusaad. How do you do, sir?
Not bad at all. Thank you very much.
Today's topic is the pros and cons of APIs or application programming interfaces. What is an API?
Think of an API as a communication protocol between two sides. So in computing terms, you have a client and you have a server. So the client can be a web browser, it can be a mobile app, it can be even a conventional classic desktop applications. These are the front ends that the users use to interact. But most of the functionalities are not performed on the front end, but on the back end, where you have a server you have all of the logic embedded in the software running on the server. And the client and the server need to communicate in a way. And that way had to be standardized. API, application programming interfaces, simply does that. So think of it as a protocol standardizing the communication between the client and the server.
So in other words, an API could be a USB cable connecting your television to your laptop for you to watch the latest episode of Netflix.
Yeah, that's a nice way to look at it.
Fantastic. Now, can you give us examples of how an API works?
Okay, that's great. So think of an online form. You visit a website, the front end. So you see an online form and you fill it in. When you click the send button, what happens then? So ideally, the website, they will have some checks to make sure that everything is filled, every mandatory compulsory field is completed in the right way. And then the front end, the website, it will gather this data, pack it up in a way, and then will send it in a message to the server. And the server will receive that message in a very specific expected format decided by the API standards. And the server will likely respond back with another message. It could say, yeah, thank you, everything was alright. Or it could say, oh, sorry, something went wrong.